So to remove the front grille and headlight bezels and the blinkers, you got to do it should be, for the grill, it should be a Phillips, 6 of them. Two in the middle, 2 on each side. And you got to take the bezels off first to get to that. They sit over 2 of them. And it's a Torx. Let's see, where did I put the screwdriver? It's probably like a T10 or T15. Let me see. Probably got it out still. I think this is one. Let's see. Yeah, it should be a T15 Torx for the headlight bezels, 4 of them. And then to get these blinkers off and the side bezel, it's 7 millimeter, should be 7 millimeter. There's 4 of them. There's one back there, 2, one right there, 3, and then this one, nasty one at the bottom, 4. And then to get that out properly, you gotta get these little fender extension pieces, and these are 7 millimeter as well, and there's 3 of them. And sometimes you could have a little clip that's hooked into your front nose piece. Mine doesn't have it hooked up right now. And so that's how you get all those off. And this right here should be 15/16 or something really close to that. Maybe a metric that's close to that, I'm not sure. But this one does it for me. And so yeah, hopefully that helps. That's for the 79. It might be slightly different for 77, 78 and other years, but pretty much the same concept. Some of them things will be the same, but that's for the 79. All right.